Hello, fellow crafters, and welcome to another product video from Kat Scrappiness. My name is Nala, or Segura's Crafts, all across social media. Today, I have the privilege of introducing to you these beautiful paper pads from Kat Scrappiness. This is the Love Doodles collection in black and gold, and it's a 6x6 double-sided premium cardstock. It has 12 patterns, 4 of each pattern, and I'm gonna go through the cards. I just wanted to kind of do a quick flip for you, like a teaser. And let's go through individually. So they are heavy cardstock. It's a very good material. It's nice and thick. It has a little bit of a shine to it. I'm not sure if I can kind of catch it, but you can, there you go. It has a little shine to the pattern paper. And if you have patience and time, you can use it all as whole, of course, standard, or you can fuzzy cut out the individual parts, especially those of you that are really good with fuzzy cutting. You can cut out even the words and piece together all the different pieces to create rather your own pattern paper, or have your own die cuts for a card, a scrapbook of your choosing, whatever project you may be working on. We have a solid black. Then here we have black, white, and pink hearts. I'm sure you are getting the black theme of the Love Doodles. And the fact that all of these images are all doodling. They're all doodle type of a heart. Do you see that? They're hearts that we would do when we're in high school, not paying attention to anything the teacher is saying. And here is like a border pattern of hearts in black and white with a pink background. Here we have love scripted with hearts in between, and it just a continuous background. Then we have here a heart background with lines, pretty much your hearts on the line. Then here we have the XO cards, the XO pattern in black, as well as that white, the pink background, continuation of that pink. I enjoy that continuation of the pink because it helps when you are trying to put cards together, or you're trying to layer different papers together, and you're trying to choose how you're going to, or what color will sustain and what pattern paper you're going to mix with it. Having that same pink background makes it easier. So here we have pink solid, again, doodle hearts. I love the offset of that. That is so cute. Here we have hearts with little heart envelopes with little tiny hearts on it. So love mail, I guess you could say. And again, that continuation of that doodling, I love. I love continuation pattern papers because it makes our lives a whole lot easier when we're trying to put them all together. Here in the front of it, kind of gives you a little bit of a sample of each individual pattern inside. Then we have the gold. We have here the Love Doodles in gold. This is a 6x6 double-sided premium cardstock. So let's go through the designs. There are 12 total patterns and 4 of each, and we're just gonna go through each design here. We have here the pink, it's like little mini pink hearts in a coordinated pattern. And then here we have that love with the heart, doodle heart in the center of it, and that is in a coordinated pattern as well. Look how cute that is. Then we have here, I thought this pattern was so cute. It have the gold, the pink, and the white doodle hearts in the background. I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of a wave look to it, but then it has this red heart. And I think this would be really nice to use as maybe you have an image and then that red heart rather coming between the two, or as a thought bubble in someone's head. So I love that. That was adorable. And then we have that solid pink. Here we have more doodle hearts, different sizes. I love that it's kind of like a freestyle hearts. So it's just different types of thickness, line thickness. There are maybe more roundness to the top or thinness at the bottom. I think this would be such um, a cute background for maybe a photo on a scrapbook, and maybe even a nice strip on a card. Just some ideas for you. And here we have that hearts on a line, I guess, and it goes horizontal and it has gold and pink with a white background. I think that's cute. Right here we have the exos in pink and gold. How cute those are. And then we have a solid gold and the doodle hearts once again, and the offset. I love the offset look. We have some more doodle hearts, but they're like in clusters and in a pattern as well. These are adorable. Then we have the solid pink background, and then hearts on the line. So it's a line that goes vertical, and the hearts are going vertically through the line. See if I could bring you close so you could see that pattern. All right, then we have here, we have some white and pink heart. Look how cute the pattern is. I don't know about you guys, but I see things a lot differently. Some may say weird, but do you see the waves in the pattern? Sometimes little things like that helps for you to, when you're cutting out your pattern paper for your card or whatever project, seeing little things like that might change the way you cut it or the way you design your card. So I just wanted to point that out. But these are the 12 designs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Beautiful designs. I hope I was able to really get across how beautiful these pattern papers are and the quality of them, and get you guys as excited to use these patterns. Guys, look how beautiful these patterns are. This is the Love Doodle 6x6 stencil. And guys, it has this kind of graffiti doodle look. I love it. I love how cute this is. I can see it being utilized in a lot of scrapbook pages where you can kind of use partial of the scrapbook and just put those as like little background graffitis. I can see this used in cards, and I will show you different ideas for using stencils. For all my fairly new crafters, stencils are lifesavers, okay? Stencils are lifesavers because they make it look like we can draw and color. You can use stencils with different mediums. You can use it with inks, paste. You can use spray, like ink sprays. You can use paint. I'll show you a little bit of different types of mediums that you can use. But first, let's see how this design looks on paper. You ready? I'm using my stamp tool to allow me to have a better placement of my stencil. You can use tape or washi tape where you would tape your cardstock behind your stencil, and this will help to eliminate any movement of your stencil as much as possible. Put ink on my brush, and then I'm going to blend it right over my stencil, and the ink will only transfer to the areas of the stencil that is open. You can blend using a blending tool, or you can use blending brushes, any type of blending tool that you may have, as well as if you are applying a medium or paste of any sort, you would use a spatula, of course, for those. Guys, I don't know about you, but I am excited about using these products. They are perfect for Valentine's Day coming up. And tag us so we can see how beautiful your projects turned out, as well as different ideas that can inspire other people. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share with other crafty friends. See you soon. Bye.